On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie, mini toasted bread pizza bites. Ingredients. For this recipe, I use 3 slices of bread. Cut circular shapes from the bread with a cookie cutter. I was able to get 4 circles out of each slice. You can also make homemade breadcrumbs from the leftover crust. Place the bread on a lined baking tray and lightly grill it for 2 to 3 minutes in a preheated grill. My toppings were diced Frankfurters, diced bell peppers, sliced chorizo, and grated cheese. Add a teaspoon of pasta sauce, pizza topping, or tomato salsa to the first row. Check out the link in the description below to see how I made my homemade tomato paste. For the second row, I used spicy mayo sauce as the base. And for the third row, I used a yogurt and mint sauce. Then add the bell peppers. For aesthetic purposes, I used a different color for each row. Top each row with a little grated cheese. Return to the preheated grill until the cheese has melted. Then add the rest of your toppings. Then add some grated cheese on top to finish. Grill until the cheese is melted and golden brown. Allow to cool in the tray before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. I'm so happy with how they turned out. And there you have it, your very own delicious, mini, toasted bread pizza bites. You will undoubtedly enjoy these. 9.5 out of 10 rating. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all, and God bless.